selection process to become an apprentice at MAXX Potential starts with Career Lab, where we cover several different topics from a very high level within technology, and we pair that with hands-on activities. And then that's followed up by a more formal hiring process. The Career Lab really allows for apprentices to see what it's like to work at MAXX Potential and see if it's something that they're interested in. It's also a chance for the staff at MAXX Potential to see if they would be a good fit. It is a competitive program. It is hard to become an apprentice at MAXX Potential. We are having untrained talent work on real customer problems, so we really need to make sure that our apprentices are going to be able to deliver on the promises that we make to our trusted customers.